Hi, my name is Helen Zucchini. I'm Director of Graduate Admissions here at the Leeds School of Business. I'd like to talk to you about a couple of tips that will help in your application process. Number one is we look at applications holistically. So yes, the GMAT and GRE, GPA are all important predictors of academic success. But don't focus in on just those. We'd like to let you know that we really do look at all applications completely and in total. A lot of people look at our class averages and they stress about how they're not average in one metric. Don't do that. Again, we look at the entire application process. Number two, if there is something in your application that concerns you, let's say it's your undergraduate GPA, address it. Take the opportunity of doing an additional essay and talk about what happened, and more importantly, what you're going to do to ensure success in the program. That'll go a long way in supporting your application. Number three, be careful and thoughtful in your application. That sounds pretty straightforward, I know, but there's a lot of people that spend a lot of time Googling what is an MBA essay look like, and they worry more about what we want to hear versus what your goals are for the program, what you want to do with your MBA. So use that opportunity. For a lot of people, that's a great exercise to do, and then your essay will stand out and will really make your application different. Number four is prepare for the interview. Not all of our programs require an interview, but should you be asked to interview, take it seriously. Prepare as you would for a job interview, especially if you haven't met with one of us before. It's a great opportunity to talk about why you want a graduate business degree, how you're going to take it seriously, your career plans for after your MBA. So it's a wonderful time to have that support your entire application. Last, and in some respects, most importantly, don't overthink it. There's so many people that worry about timing. Is this the right time? Should I wait until this happens, or I do this other thing? And many times the process takes too long and you haven't worked on one of your goals. So don't overthink it. Spend that time, have an appointment with us. We can also introduce you to other MBA students, MS students. You can go to a class. There's a lot of things you can do to determine if this is the right thing for you to do. Thank you. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your application.